In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change YouTube to dark mode, light mode, or match your device theme. Whether you want a softer look for late-night viewing, prefer a bright interface, or just want YouTube to follow your computer's setting automatically, this quick walkthrough has you covered. First, open YouTube in your web browser and sign in to your account. Being signed in ensures your choice is saved to your profile, so it sticks the next time you visit. If you're already signed in, you're ready to go. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu, a small panel with options related to your profile and how YouTube looks and behaves. We're going to focus on Appearance, which you'll find right in this menu. Click Appearance. This is where YouTube lets you control the site's theme without digging through deeper settings. You'll see 3 simple choices, and you can switch among them at any time. Choose Dark Theme to turn dark mode on. The background and many interface elements shift to darker shades, which can reduce eye strain in low light. If you prefer a bright, traditional look, select Light Theme to turn dark mode off and return the interface to light backgrounds and dark text. If you don't want to think about it, pick Use Device Theme, which lets YouTube follow your system's light or dark mode automatically, including any schedule your computer uses. As soon as you click an option, the change takes effect immediately, so you can preview and decide what feels best. Your selection is associated with your signed-in profile in this browser, so if you use multiple browsers or devices, you can set the look you want on each one. This change affects the interface only. It won't alter video content, captions, or playback quality. And that's it. Open YouTube and sign in, click your profile picture, click Appearance, then choose Dark Theme, Light Theme, or Use Device Theme. It's a small tweak that can make your viewing experience more comfortable and consistent. Go ahead, set your preferred theme now, and enjoy YouTube the way you like it.